Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Sneak 100,000 Through TSA."
It's go to San Francisco. It almost got delayed. It's stop boardings right now.
Okay. You may leave freely, but the currency cannot.
This situation appears straightforward, almost routine, involving nothing more than two passengers, a carry-on bag, and a large amount of cash discovered at an airport checkpoint. But as officers begin asking questions and listening carefully to the answers, it becomes clear that this is not just about money, but about identity, intent, and a story that starts to unravel almost immediately. On March 27, 2025, at approximately 7:24 p.m., officers responded to the West Checkpoint at Orlando International Airport after the TSA alerted them to two passengers, Yuxiang Chen and Jinmi Feng, attempting to conceal a significant amount of U.S. currency inside a carry-on bag. Chen and Feng provide an explanation that sounds detailed on the surface, but quickly raises additional questions.
Well, I'm going to ask you some questions.
How are you all?
Hi.
Yeah, I understand there was some money in your bag.
Yes, I'm doing translate for him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who does the bag belong to?
Can you respond to lane 17?
Your bag.
Respect.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Do you have any documentation for the money?
你有没有任何文件过这个钱？Only on the bank because we get some money from our account and some money is from casino.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one, I take a photo of bank. Bank.
It was all.
10,000.
Where does it start? Right here.
This is I save.
You guys are 195?
问你是哪里来的这个钱
This money is
？From the check, from the other. 你这个 check 是哪里来的？你这张 check
income. My boss give me the income. Some is my boss give me one. Just little bit.
Explain to me what he's saying.
Yeah. Because I didn't know, so I'm used to Chinese to ask him. 他问你这个钱是从哪里来的？
This is I myself money. It's my money. I have job and then it's my sister give me some money. Cash.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm understanding. He's saying this is his money that he earned.
That's his sister give it to him.
His sister gave it to him.
Yes.
Okay.
And also the money is his parent give it to sister and his sister give him.
How much money did his parents give him?
About 7,000.
7,000.
It's my money.
So his parent give him like almost like 7K and his sister give him almost like 8K.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Where did the
And
rest
he-
come from?
Huh?
Where did the rest come from?
And the rest come from we go to the gambling casino.
The casino?
Yeah, casino.
Okay. And how much did he win there?
32.
About 15.
15. Okay.
And I won like 5K.
And you won like 5. So some of yours is in there too? Is it?
Yeah, it's in tier 2.
And then what did you do after the casino and after your parents gave you the money and everything?
He want to buy a car.
And then I travel. I go to Orlando to travel.
So the money that you withdrew from his account, that was the money that his sister and his mother gave him? Okay. And then the rest of it is from the casino?
Yes.
Okay. And that was never deposited into an account or anything?
Sorry?
The money from the casino was never deposited into his account?
Yeah, because they won't give me the documents or the receipt. They just say, oh hey, you got the car, pay your car and give me the money. But they let us write a W-9.
Do you have any of that paperwork from the casino?
No,
Go home back to Oscar
they give us
987.
any paperwork.
That's not possible. Yeah.
Chen and Feng are unable to produce any receipt or proof that they actually won the money. But this was just the beginning of their problem. As officers began the standard process of inventorying the cash, they discovered something even more incriminating.
They usually give you a receipt for your earnings.
No. For any
Tier 10,
casino,
12,
they
Shen,
won't
you can.
About how much was it? Sure. About 40,000. She has about 5,000. He has about 40,000. Okay. About 15, 16 of which she said was from relatives. Another 15 from the casino. All wrapped in rubber bands by TSA. No documentation whatsoever. He does have transactions on his app for about
Of the other
for a few
transactions.
thousand. Yeah, for what he got from the family.
Yeah.
But no documentation for the stuff from the casino.
Yeah.
And where's their flight? Where's your flight to?
It's go to San Francisco. It almost got delayed. It's stop boardings right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Take it right there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Tell me
What casino was that?
Hard Rock in Tampa.
Rock Tampa?
Yeah.
So you are free to leave. The money has to stay until we can investigate further. Okay? So we have to make some notifications. You want to explain that to him? You two are free to leave, but the money has to stay until we can do some investigation.
Oh, we can?
So we're making a phone call
Yeah.
to someone else. They're going to decide if they want to come out and speak with you further. If they don't, then you can leave with the currency, not a problem.
Okay.
At this point, you're not detained. You may leave freely, but the currency cannot. If you would like to leave, then we can go back to the office, and you can leave the currency there, and so forth. But we're making a phone call, and it shouldn't take more than a few minutes here now to determine if they're going to come out. If they do not want to come out, then you guys leave. That's it. Take your money and go where you're going to go. Okay? So.
Do you have the image? Do you have the image? I'll be right back. This is her bag? Do you have his bag?
That's her bag or his? He said it was his. But it was in the jacket.
Can I see what's in it?
Wrapped up in the bag.
Is anything? How is it concealed? The money?
It's just.
Okay. That's all you found?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was all.
Okay. And how was it in the bag? Just in the pocket?
She said it was wrapped in the jacket inside the bag.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now her bag has cash in it too?
I didn't check. They didn't put her bag. Her bag wasn't full.
Okay. When did you go to the casino?
About yesterday.
Yesterday, the day before yesterday, and the day before yesterday, we went there like 3 days.
Yeah.
And you don't have any receipt or anything? Neither of you?
Have you been casino before?
Yes, I have.
They give you a receipt.
They give you a receipt.
Yes, they do.
They do.
They just, because we have the member card. They just
See where they're messing up is that, yeah, the casino gives you a receipt for your earnings, right? But the logical thing to say would be, yeah, I received the receipt, but I threw it out or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, people don't keep receipts like that. Like, honestly, like, let's be real here. You know what I'm saying? When you go to the store, how often are you really keeping your receipts? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's such a old school way of doing things, like receipts and, you know, the bookkeeping and all that stuff, where you could track everything on your phone nowadays. But either way it goes, I know if I was to go to the casino and I, you know, won and I turned in my chips or whatever the case may be, and they give me the receipt or whatever, I'm throwing that shit out. Personally, like, it's just, I'm not gonna have that days later. It's just not gonna happen. You know what I mean? But so that's the logical thing to say. But to say that the casino didn't give you a receipt at all is what draws the red flags. You know, it's just, no, that's the wrong answer.
May I see your member card? You don't have to show me, but you lost it?
Nelson Pagan.
You lost
Please
it?
proceed to a phase one and dial 0.
Now you lost it?
Nelson Pagan.
Do you have a membership card?
I just put in because I need to just play this track.
Do you have like an account for the casino where you can pull up your winnings?
1 minute. The airline is calling me.
The airline called you.
Yeah,
Okay.
Alaska. I don't think I have. I didn't take a picture about my member card.
Okay, but you check the rest of the bag. That's all the cash that was in there. There's nothing hidden in the liner.
This is.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that was.
Gotcha.
They do have reservations where it shows that they were at the casino.
Paging Michael Sanitsky.
So when I opened the bag, I saw it, and then I saw it. Yeah, I asked him how much do you have here. He said about 40,000.
It was like actually like wrapped up in this.
Yeah, with the little rubber band around there.
Sweet. I haven't finished counting this. It's going to be over 50.
I asked him specifically if it's over 50. He's like, no. So
Yeah,
good to know that.
And this stacks even bigger than that.
Okay. And he's saying that.
Yeah, so
And then
between 100 and 120. All California,
Austin
all
Williams.
different.
That's why they were even.
But all three of the, oh no, we have William Spencer.
basically we got a money call out, and this guy's got a little over 200,000 in cash. But then with the second 50,000 in cash, he had 3 fake IDs and a couple looks like fraudulent credit cards.
Get the suitcase back.
There's free screen.
And do you have some water?
Take a seat. I'll get you some water. What am I?
Yeah, water. He's okay, right?
He's just detained. Okay.
I'm sorry.
I'll explain.
What? Yeah. What happened?
Give me a sec. Detained, which means he's not free to go. It doesn't mean he's under arrest. He's just detained. Okay.
Okay. Can I call my family? I tell you.
Where do you want them?
Can I touch my phone and then call my family?
Do you have any more IDs on you?
No.
You okay if I check you out real quick?
Another like 70,000. In whose bag? This is the one.
Hold with him.
Just come on over here, okay?
Hey, someone just take my ID? You sending my ID?
Yes, I'll get it to you.
He's got. May I see your wallet?
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you run these on telly?
Yes.
Thank you.
What is mine?
One is yours?
Yeah.
Which one is yours?
This one.
That one's yours. Okay. Thank you.
Which name is he using?
You got
Gen 1.
Yeah.
nothing in my bag. You can check.
Just money?
Yes, nothing.
Money.
And ID, nothing.
Money and IDs?
Yeah.
Why do you have those IDs?
Someone give me the money. 有人借我钱，我借的。
Wait for her to come back.
对呀。
Okay.
This is my all have. I need to pay my friend a lot of money. This is my all is my friend money. I need to pay my friend a lot of money.
Why?
120,000.
You have to pay your
I
friend
want to go to the.
20,000?
This is my all is my friend money, and I want to go to the casino all in. You know, this is all my friend money. Oh my God, you take everything. I need a. You know.
When she comes back, we're gonna talk, okay?
Yes.
When she comes back, let's talk.
You can kill me if you take this money. You can kill me.
No.
No, you can. This is my all have. I can pay my friend a lot of money.
We'll talk about that. We'll figure out why.
This is my all have. I have. I need to pay more money. You can show me first. I don't know. The airline can be taking a lot of money in here. I don't know. So I need to go to a jail? Jail.
Right now, I want to talk to you.
No.
Okay?
So later I need.
This guy is an idiot. This guy is an idiot. You should have deposited that into the bank. If you getting it, however you getting it, whatever, man, you should have deposited that into the bank. You can't even go, you know, it's kind of messed up. You know what I mean? It's messed up that you can't fly with large sums of cash. Like, it's just gonna be a hassle. It's gonna be a hassle. Like, regardless of the fact, you know, but you're cooked because you're getting that fraudulently. Your story doesn't add up. You know, you got fake IDs on you. What makes you think that that's going to get past TSA? They x-ray everything. They're going to see the large sums of cash. You're not going through with that. You're not. It's just not going to happen. It's not happening. The only people that go through with large sums of cash like that is people that's getting on a PJ, private jet, private plane. You could go through there. They not running you. They not, you know, they not going through the hassle like that with all of that. You know, you're not getting checked like that with a private jet. So if you got 100,000 and you going somewhere, you know, and if you want to fly with 100,000, get another 20 together and get on a PJ, get on a private jet, get on a private plane. You would have been set smooth. There you go. But you trying to go through TSA with that? It's not happening. It's not happening. And your story not even straight.
You go to jail? Jail. Like a jail.
A jail?
Yeah?
That's why I want to talk to you. I want to find out what's going on, but I don't want to try to talk to you and you not understand what I'm saying. Okay?
Okay, just go.
No, sit down.
You guys sit.
Just go. I don't want to listen to anything. You're taking my everything. Just go.
Sit.
You don't want to talk to me. Tell me what's going on.
It's my own half, you know.
And that's what I want to know what's going on. Okay? But I can't do that until I really get to talk to you. But you don't understand everything I'm saying, or do you understand everything I'm saying?
I just need my money.
Do you understand everything I'm saying?
He understands.
Yeah, you can show me. You can show me.
So you're willing to talk to me?
You can show me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can show me.
Let's give her about 5 more minutes. If she doesn't show up,
No,
then we'll
just
talk.
show me. Just show me. It's okay. Just show me.
Show you?
Yeah, just tell me.
Talk to you?
Yeah. It's my all half.
There she is.
It's my all half.
Can you sit down? Tell him to stay seated.
This is the one that he says is real one.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is also real.
And this came back to nothing?
That came back to nothing. That one came back to another Chinese person. Or, yeah, I assume it's Chinese.
Stand up. Take up my gas. Okay. Beautiful me.
It's up to you if you
Good?
want to go.
All right. Come on, me. Come on, me. Hold on. Let me talk to my girlfriend something. Nope. Nope. We're going. So? Yeah. Can I tell something? Yeah, we gotta go. This way.
May look like she went to the
Other side? Just have a seat over there, okay? I don't know. All right, I'll let you know once everything's done. This is his property?
Yes.
Okay, I'll put it in his bag.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Yep.
How much and the pay, right? Now or what? Okay.
Just not go, huh?
You are done.
Hold on. No, left foot in first. Yeah,
I'm guessing maybe 2 years, 3 years, maybe.
What?
Fraud.
What's that? Those can't go to the jail. I don't know if cigarettes were allowed to go to the jail. The detectives put everything in your bag now, okay? And then whatever couldn't go, they gave it to your friend, your girlfriend.
Chen is escorted to a temporary detainment area inside the airport. The officers eventually discovered that Chen does not have legal status to remain in the United States. And promptly, the Immigration and Customs Enforcement were notified. In the end, Yu Zhang Chen was charged with fraud, impersonation, creating or possessing fictitious personal identification. But the unanswered questions remain. Where did he get the money from? And who and where are the owners of the credit cards? But regardless of the answers, it definitely wasn't the best day for Chen.
Yeah, you're cooked. And you're here illegally. That's why you got all the fake IDs. You're done. You're done. Imagine that. He's there illegally and got through TSA. Think about it. Now, he didn't get through the X-ray part and all of that stuff, right? But he got through like the ID check and all of that. How you do that with a fake ID? Think about it, because he has no, he's there illegally. He has no ID. Boy, now that's some shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's boy. And keep in mind, they would have been able to make their plane. Think about it. In the beginning, they said, listen, you're free to go, but the money has to stay. No one would have came down, talked to him and all of that stuff. Fuck it. I got caught with the bread. All right, it is what it is. I'm out. And they would have been on their way. But you held on to the hope of still being able to keep the money, so you stuck around. And that made them dig further, go through the bags more and all that stuff, and find the all the IDs that you got and everything like that. Where you could have just been on your way when he said, you guys are free to go, but the money has to stay. Crazy, man. Anyway, overall, I think the officers did the best job that they could, man. I'm gonna give them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.